Thank you all so much for stopping by today. So today, y'all, I want to share with you a new cucumber variety that I seriously want to try. Now, I am going to start these from seed, and I'll share with you why I want to try it because I know that I have enough time in the garden and I think they'll be fun and I'm eager to taste the flavor after reading the description. But I'm over here because we're growing cucumbers in the garden. Now these I specifically started from seed and we set those out and we're starting to get cucumbers and we're starting to have great pollination. Now I'm going to walk over here to the cucumbers that I direct sowed and show you how a lot of the pests, i.e. either the beetles or the slugs, are being very disrespectful, which is why I'm going to go ahead and start them in the cell trays versus direct sowing them. So over here we started some Armenian cucumbers and I direct sowed them, and the slugs have taken out some that were right here and right here. Now the seeds were a little bit older, so I sowed more and they did pop up, but I've been trying to really come out here with the diatomaceous earth. It seems like they really don't care about that at this point, but I'm just trying to save them from, I think it's the slugs because I caught two in here like crawling. So I really do. And evidently, so what I've been doing, they keep saying it's gonna rain and we get like 5 drops. Literally today is like 5 drops, and so now the time has changed on when it's gonna rain. So I think before I go in for the day, I'm just gonna go ahead and just, put some more on the leaves because between last night and today, someone has taken a bite out of this. Now, this one is starting to get its true leaves right here and the true leaves right there, but I just don't remember putting seeds all the way back here. I specifically put them right here, and y'all know I like to wet my soil before I put the seeds in, so I'm not sure what's going on, but if I have to like slightly move them up to the trellis, because we're gonna have them, we're gonna train them on the trellis, so if I have to slightly move them up, then I'll make sure that I do that. Okay, y'all, so I'm doing exactly what I said I would not be doing. I'm doing it again, like I'm junking up the patio. So I'm going to have to put a timer on and just really take some time to clean things up, because right now this is going to be our planting station right here because everything is full, and I keep saying don't do that. But we're not going to start a lot of seeds, y'all, because the garden is really growing. We got some peppers in, some tomatoes in, some okra in, some cucumbers in. A lot of things are growing and they're growing great. So we're not going to start a lot, but let me show you what we're going to grow. We're going to start these Honey Plus hybrid cucumber seeds, and I'm going to try to flash a picture of these up here, and I'm not going to fill all 12 of these up. I think I'm going to look through my seeds and see what else, but we're not about to have 12 Honey Plus hybrid cucumbers. We're not about to do that. If I have to plant some dwarf tomatoes or maybe some more peppers. I really love peppers and I do have a lot growing, but maybe I will plant some more of those. But anyway, I'll probably plant about 3 to 4. I really want 2, but y'all know I always try to go about 25% over, just in case some of the seeds don't germinate, or just in case when we put them in the ground or put them in the raised beds, just in case they check out. Because a lot of times when you transplant things, they just don't like that area and they'll check out. So I'll probably just do 4 to 5, and then we'll see what happens when we actually put them in the final place. Now, I'm not going to start these inside. I have a perfect place that's in the sun. I'm still going to put them in the cell trays. I'm still going to put my humidity dome on there, but I'm just going to leave them outside because it's hot enough now. We get enough hours of light to where I don't need the supplemental lighting from our seed start and grow area. I don't need any of that. But the only reason why I do want to put them in these trays is because I'm afraid that if I direct sow them, that the slugs, the snails, the Japanese beetle, I'm afraid that they will eat them. And when they're really young like that, they can't take a lot of that before they actually check out. Okay, so before I end this video, what I really wanted to share is why I wanted to plant these. Like, these really had good reviews. It's supposed to be really sweet, a really sweet cucumber, but what I loved about it is, if you look very closely, it's ready to harvest in about 40 days. Now, that does not count from when I put the seeds in today. I count it like after they germinate. Like, so once they start germinating, then I'll use that as an estimate date. It may not be 40 days like spot on, but it does take about 7 to 14 days for the seeds to emerge and germinate. So once they emerge from the soil and they come out and start to grow, then I'll put like the timer on like 40 days. But that's why I was excited, because a little bit over a month we should be able to have these. So y'all let me know in the comments, have you ever had this variety before? I really saw a lot of good reviews about it, and I definitely wanted to try it. Also, I wanted to share this with you because we have our own summer seed kit that we're offering, and they do come with these sale trays, the Deluxe seed kit. So we have the regular seed kit for summer, and we have the Deluxe. I'll make sure I put the link in the description, and I'll also flash it on the screen. Y'all, I think we have maybe only 7 more available because we did have limited quantities, and the inventory says it's either 6 or 7. So if you are wanting to start growing, you don't have a lot of space, you want to grow in containers, go ahead and consider purchasing the seed kit, because we seriously only have about 6 to 7 left. But I'm going to keep you posted on this variety right here. Some things I document is the germination, how easy it was to grow, the taste, if we had pest pressure. All of those things is what I use to determine what I want to grow from year to year. But you all are going to be so proud of me, because you know one of my things is labeling. So before I even came out here, y'all, I made a label, and I put the date, and I put the company that we got it from. So I'm gonna stick this right here. Now, this is going to be the real test, is for me to take that label when I get ready to plant it and put it where it's supposed to go. Because oftentimes I will make this label. It's just that when I get ready to plant it, sometimes, unless it's like visible, I will forget it. And so that's another reason why I make a lot of these videos, so it can kind of help me with my memory about what variety, where I put it at, and what it is. So as always, thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure you share this video with your family and your friends. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead, tap the subscribe button. Make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time you upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.